anyone who wants to grow in their life. They can learn from anyone. When you listen to A.R. Rahman, ऐसा लगता है कि आप खुदा को सुन रहे हैं. When you see Sachin Tendulkar batting, ऐसा लगता है कि आप भगवान को देख रहे हैं. And when you read the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam sir, it feels like कि आप ईश्वर को पढ़ रहे हैं, right? You know what is the common thing among all these great personalities? The common thing among all these great personalities, they've identified their skill at a very young age. And they've started working and they've started developing their skill at a very young age. So you need to identify that one skill which can do magic for you and which can change your life. As long as you identify that one skill, you should start working on that skill and you should start developing that skill. You should start developing that skill day by day, because no one can become champion over a night. It takes months and years to develop that skill and to become master on that skill. Let's say someone is good in communication skills, someone is good in presentation skills, someone is good in programming skills, someone is good in singing skills, someone is good in dancing skills, someone is good in management skills, someone is good in teaching skills. So instead of running behind 10 different skills, you should identify, focus and develop that one skill which can do magic for you and which can change your life. Because if you see, organizations don't hire employees, they hire skills. So you should identify and focus on skill development. Don't waste your time by looking what is happening in others' life, but rather invest your time to be a better version of yourself. मैंने आज क्या सीखा और उसे कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट किया, और कल मैं क्या सीखूंगा और उसे कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाए. This is how you can be a better version of yourself. Till then, be safe, be happy, keep learning, keep smiling. खुश रहिए, खुशियाँ बांटते रहिए. This is Pavan signing off.